Hey guys, this is Skyler from HD. So we hope you guys like the haul videos. We just did a mayor mascot one. So look what came in the mail today. Something from Amazon. They addressed the HD special delivery. That's the smile logo. So we're gonna open it up to see what I got from the mail. What's inside the box? Captain Underpants Extra Country Book of Fun books here. That's awesome. So we got Captain Underpants Extra Country Book of Fun on the front. And we got the second Captain Underpants Extra Country Book of Fun here, which is pretty cool. So yeah, that's our Captain Underpants Extra Country Book of Fun haul video. Hope you guys liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.